Hello everyone! Are you curious about how to determine which roads are suitable for cycling and which ones aren't? Let's find out! Navigating roads as a cyclist requires careful consideration of various factors to ensure safety and compliance with local regulations. Here's how you can determine where you can cycle and where you should avoid. Firstly, familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations regarding cycling. Different jurisdictions may have specific rules governing where cyclists are allowed to ride, including designated bike lanes, shared roadways, and prohibited areas. Consult local cycling ordinances or transportation authorities to understand the legal framework for cycling in your area and any restrictions or limitations that may apply. Secondly, look for infrastructure designed to accommodate cyclists. Many cities and municipalities invest in cycling infrastructure, such as bike lanes, paths, and trails, to provide safe and convenient routes for cyclists to travel. These dedicated cycling facilities are typically marked with signage, pavement markings, or physical barriers to separate cyclists from motor vehicle traffic and pedestrians. Choose routes that include bike-friendly infrastructure whenever possible to maximize safety and comfort while riding. Thirdly, consider road conditions and traffic patterns. Some roads may be more conducive to cycling than others based on factors such as traffic volume, speed limits, shoulder width, and pavement quality. Choose roads with lower traffic volumes, lower speeds, and wider shoulders to reduce the risk of conflicts with motor vehicles and improve your visibility and comfort as a cyclist. Avoid roads with heavy traffic, high speeds, narrow shoulders, or poor pavement conditions that may pose safety hazards or discomfort for cyclists. Furthermore, use common sense and judgment when choosing where to cycle. Avoid cycling on highways, freeways, or other limited access roads where cyclists are prohibited or restricted due to safety concerns. Be mindful of potential hazards such as construction zones, steep grades, blind curves, or areas with limited visibility, and choose alternate routes or detours to avoid these obstacles whenever possible. Additionally, consider the preferences and abilities of other road users. While cyclists have the right to share the road with motor vehicles in many areas, it's essential to be considerate and respectful of other road users, including motorists, pedestrians, and fellow cyclists. Choose routes that minimize conflicts and interactions with motor vehicle traffic, especially on busy or congested roads, and yield to pedestrians and other vulnerable road users when necessary. In summary, determining where you can cycle and where you can't involves considering a variety of factors, including local laws and regulations, cycling infrastructure, road conditions, traffic patterns, safety considerations, and the preferences and abilities of other road users. By familiarizing yourself with relevant laws and regulations, choosing routes with bike-friendly infrastructure, considering road conditions and traffic patterns, using common sense and judgment, and being considerate of other road users, you can navigate roads safely and confidently as a cyclist. So, plan your routes thoughtfully, stay informed, and enjoy the ride. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.